Hey there, language champions. Welcome to Speak Like an American. If you're tired of sounding robotic and want to speak English like a pro, you're in the right place. Today, we're swapping out basic phrases for natural, native-like expressions that will make you sound confident and fluent. Let's dive in and transform your English together. Don't say, my piece of advice. Say, my 2 cents.
I just wanted to give you my 2 cents.
I'm sorry, that's just my 2 cents.
That's my 2 cents.
The survivors would probably get the rest of the week off instead of just the weekend. Just my 2 cents.
Don't say, just tell me. Say, spill the beans.
Come on, spill the beans.
Spill the beans or get out.
Would you guys spill the beans?
Don't say, I don't understand what you're saying. Say, I'm not following.
I'm still not following.
I'm not following.
I'm sorry, I'm afraid I'm not following.
I'm not following.
Don't say, I don't believe it. Say, I'm not buying it.
I'm not buying it.
I'm not buying it.
I'm not buying it.
I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it.
Don't say, I totally forgot. Say, it slipped my mind.
I can't believe it slipped my mind.
Just wanted to get something down before it slipped my mind.
It slipped my mind.
Slipped my mind.
Don't say, I'm full. Say, I'm stuffed.
I'm stuffed.
No, I'm stuffed.
Ate too much for lunch and, I'm stuffed.
Don't say, I'm hesitant. Say, I'm on the fence about it.
You know, still kind of on the fence about it.
Victor was kind of on the fence about it, too.
I was on the fence about this.
I'm on the fence here.
Don't say, I'm surprised. Say, I'm taken aback.
Oh, you seem a bit taken aback.
I was a little taken aback.
I was kind of taken aback.
Well, I'm sure he'd be delightfully taken aback if you cleaned your apartment.
Don't say, my mistake. Say, my bad.
My bad.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, yeah, my bad. My bad.
My bad.
Don't say, I understand you. Say, I feel you.
I feel you, man.
I feel you, sister.
I feel you.
Don't say, I'm very hungry. Say, I'm starving.
I'm starving.
I'm starving.
I'm starving. I'm starving. I'm starving.
Don't say, I'm very tired. Say, I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted.
Well, I'm drinking lots of cups of coffee because I'm exhausted.
Don't say, I'm very busy. Say, I'm swamped.
I'm swamped right now.
I'm swamped.
I'm swamped right now. Totally swamped.
I'm just swamped.
Don't say, let's get started. Say, let's dive in.
So let's dive in.
Okay, let's dive in.
Let's dive in head first from the...
Let's dive in.
Don't say, don't interrupt me. Say, let me finish.
Let me finish. Let me finish.
Let me finish.
Don't say, good job. Say, way to go.
Way to go, man.
Wow, way to go.
Way to go, Jack. Way to go.
Don't say, stop complaining. Say, quit whining.
So quit whining.
Quit whining like a little girl.
Quit whining.
Quit whining. Quit whining.
Don't say, you did a great job. Say, you killed it.
Oh my God, you killed it.
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 Don't say, it's excellent. Say, it's top-notch.
Firm is top-notch.
Top-notch mozzarella maker.
Indeed, tiny but top-notch.
Your ticket all right? Top-notch?
Don't say, it's hard to deal with. Say, it's a hard pill to swallow.
Why should that be such a hard pill to swallow?
I get that this is a hard pill to swallow.
That's a hard pill to swallow.
Don't say, keep it a secret. Say, keep it under wraps.
Didn't I keep it under wraps?
I just want to keep it under wraps.
I'm so good at keeping things under wraps.
Don't say, calm down. Say, hold your horses.
All right, hold your horses.
Hold your horses, buddy.
Just hold your horses for 1 minute.
Hold your horses.
Don't say, text me. Say, hit me up.
Just hit me up.
Hit me up if you ever need anything.
Sorry for hitting you up so early.
Anytime you want to hang out, just hit me up with the text.
Don't say, dream big. Say, shoot for the stars.
Shoot for the stars.
We shoot for the stars.
You're shooting for the stars, aren't you, Walsh?
Don't say, it's easy. Say, it's a breeze.
It was a breeze, brother.
It's a breeze.
It's a breeze when I'm not carrying a tray.
Don't say, rarely. Say, once in a blue moon.
Try going with your feelings once in a blue moon.
I do get saucy once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon, does a dog's ear grow back?
Don't say, he's a talkative person. Say, Chatterbox.
They say Leslie's daughter is like a chatterbox.
She's a major chatterbox.
Never thought of her as much of a chatterbox.
Hit that subscribe button for more.